Hi, I'm Sean from North Branch Library. This week's Grab and Go craft is a Dreamcatcher. Dreamcatcher is a Native American device to catch the bad dreams and help you keep the good ones. Let's get started. So put in the yarn on here. And then tie it up top to complete the star. Okay, then we take our twine and we tie the twine on the bottom, but leave enough room for things to dangle. And then we put the bead on the twine. You can cover the beads if you want to. You could paint them, you could use markers, but I want these beads uncolored. So, 1 second, let's get this going here. And so we put the bead here, and then we tie around the bead. Then we put another bead. We'll give you more than 2 beads, but 2 beads I guess is enough for a demo. So, and then we push this through. You may want to tape this so that it's easier to handle, because the twine apparently comes apart pretty easily. And then you put the bead, and then you tie again. And then when you have the bead, you can put a feather. You put the feather into one of the beads, like so. And if you want to, you can glue it so it'll stain better. And then you can use your ribbon to tie down something else nice and decorative. We'll give you more than one thing of ribbon too, of course. And so, you tie your ribbon down. And so we have that. There's our sample. So we're done. As I said, obviously, we'll give you more than 1 ribbon and more than 2 beads and more than one feather. And this is a nicer sample that was made. Let's just pull this back so we can see it a little better. And thank you for watching the video. Come by Wednesday to pick up the craft, and have a good day.